Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are going to play Parker Tower. Okay, we are going to play Parker Tower, guys. So this game is just like Tower of Hell. We are going to try to complete it. Let's try. Okay, so this is a checkpoint, but we are not going to use it right now. When when we lose, like when we are going to lose, then I'll put it. Like that's the hard level. Then I'll put it, guys. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, this is a bit easy, guys. This is easy. It's not so hard. Oh, what? What just happened? Okay, it's okay. I guess we'll put. Wait. Let me see. Okay. That's correct. That's still correct. We'll come over here, guys. We'll come over here. Oh no! What's happening, guys? What's happening? Only 9 minutes 13 seconds left. Okay, only that much time left, guys. Only that much time left, guys. From today, from the next video onwards, the timings are going to be changed. Okay, every see, guys, I'm going to tell you, every Saturday and Sunday we are going to post a video. Okay, not every, like, if no, there's actually no time right now, because sometimes if the if an update comes in Tower of Hell or anything, then I could not show you. That's why no timing for now. Anytime the video can come, but soon there will be timings. Very soon there will be timings. Okay, so I'll put the timings. I'll tell you, guys. Okay, guys, please like and share, guys. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, please, guys, please. So now we'll come over here. Good. Okay. Oh my god, what was that? What just happened? I'm thinking, what just happened? So what can I do? I'll just come over here. Now we have to use one checkpoint. Only 8 minutes left. That's why I'm using one checkpoint over here. Okay, I'll use it. And once. Okay, I'll come over here. I'm not placing it right now. Okay, good. That's good. Now we'll come down. Okay. Now we have to place it. Can I place it over there? Yeah. Okay. The checkpoint is placed over here. Okay. So I'll just press 2 times R. That's good. Now we'll come over here. More. Okay, that's good. Now we'll come over here. Only one time you can use checkpoint. Now I know that this is a bit easy, so that's why I'll remove checkpoint. Now we'll come over here, and here. Okay, now is this a bit hard? Yeah, this is a bit hard. So what can I do? I'll just place the checkpoint over here. Why can't I place the checkpoint? Yeah, checkpoint place. So now, okay, yeah, okay, done, and done. Oh, okay. See, I knew it. It's a bit hard. That's why I placed checkpoint. Okay, that's a bit hard. I have already completed this game once. Okay, so I'm just showing you once. Okay, so okay. Oh no, not again. 6 minutes 30 seconds left, guys. Only 6 minutes 30 seconds left. What can I do? Okay, no. Okay, good. That's good. No. I guess my jump timing is not good. Yeah, my jump timing is not good, guys. Okay, no. What can I do? I'll just start directly from here. Oh no, that was a bad idea. Yeah, when I go. Okay, yeah, that's also correct. Yeah, that's correct. That's also correct. That's correct. And that's, woo, we did it. Okay, this is a bit hard, but we don't have any checkpoints left. Okay, so I'll pick this up. I'll pick it up. Now I have already completed it. That's when, oh no, shit, no, guys, no. We'll try to do it in only one round, guys. Only one round will take. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, we already know this, how to complete it, so that's why no difficulty should be there. But if we don't do it, then difficulty is that much. Now we'll come over here. That's good. We'll come over here, and here. Yeah, we did it. Now what can I do is I'll place again the checkpoint over here. Why can't I place it? Why can't I place it? Okay, let's try without the checkpoint. Okay, good. Okay, that's still good. Oh no, we died. Okay. Oh my god. I have to earn the bronze medal. Okay, so what can I do? I'll just come over here, guys. Come over here. Well, come over here. We have to place the checkpoint at the blue one. We saw it at the blue one. We have to place it. Okay, that's a bit hard. That's why. Okay, we'll place it over there. Actually, we know how to do this, but sometimes jump timings are not good. So that's the okay. I'll not use my arrow keys. Better. Oh no. Okay, stress relief. No, I killed him. Yeah, I killed him. Lol. Okay, only 4 minutes left. What can I do in 4 minutes? We'll try to do it, guys. We'll try to do it. Guys, see, I have the DJ Sword of Agility, guys. I have the DJ Sword of Agility. Guys, as you know, RB Battle Season 2 is going on. So, there's one challenge that you find all like swords. Okay, there are 3 hosts. Sabrina Bright, okay, Russo Plays, and DJ Monopoly. So now everyone knows how to find the DJ's Monopoly sword, but no one knows how to find them both. So now, okay, we made it over here. Now why can't I place the checkpoint? I want to place the checkpoint. Place the checkpoint. How can I place the checkpoint? I'm not able to place it. I'm not able to place it, guys. Why can't I place it? Okay, what should I do? Should I place it over here? If I place it over here also, that's gonna be good. Why can't I place it, guys? What can I do? I'll just... Guys, I'm not able to place it. Why am I not able? Oh no, I don't want to die. Okay, that's... Why am I not able? Okay, let's try it. Oh no, okay, see, I knew it. That would happen because I was not able to place the checkpoint. I don't know why was I not able to place the checkpoint. Let me try it now. Now also I'm not able to place it. Why? What's in the backpack? Let's see. Flags. Get more flag. How much is it? Okay, get crates. So I don't want crates. I want flag crate one. Okay, I'll open it. Inside uncommon red pencil. What do you mean by that? Flag it. Now I'll open more black common. Inside flag crate one. Okay, I want to open one inside. Okay, now what can I do is why can't I? Okay, let me just come over here. Flags get more. I'll open flag crate one. Purchase. Oh no, what? No. Shop. Okay, crates. Flag crate one. Now flag crate one. Open. Purchase. Yeah, purchasing. Opening the crate. Okay, good. Okay, I got one pencil. Add to backpack. Okay, good. Now backpack. If I go, yeah. Okay, we can only get one pencil, guys. We can only get one pen. Like, we can only get one checkpoint. Wow. Oh, wow. That's nice. I thought we could go to at least 2 checkpoints. Okay, no. So there's no possibility of winning me. Okay. So in 1 minute 20 seconds, what can I do? I can do nothing, guys. In 1 minute 20 seconds, I can do nothing. So okay. So we'll just see where get till. Okay, so nothing can we do. Okay, guys. So if you like this video, then please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, please subscribe, guys. It helps me a lot. Please subscribe. Okay. Bye, guys. Have fun. Enjoy. Bye. bye.